There's another one. This one appears as though it's been patched up. Where there is a break in the trim in the wall. It appears to have no dust on it, like the rest of the wall appears to have dust. This appears to be a clean piece of trim. There's a neck. There's a neck. There's a neck. There are necks. Necks. Here is a spot that appears to have been covered up. A larger hole, possibly, covered with putty, wall putty, wood putty. It's very possible that could be the main area of impact. There could be a bullet lodged in the wall there. There is where I do believe the shell casing is more than likely lodged. This photo album was sitting here. Direction. Oops. This photo album was facing this direction, and there do appear to be a few nicks in the photo album on this side here. I will get a close-up of that. Here I intend to show some of the nicks in the photo album here, 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 several in this area here, some of them in a scratching, some of them as though they were penetrated by a round, sharp object or something at force. Several nicks in this photo album. There. 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 Here I have what appears to be metal shavings found behind the sofa. Could possibly be metal shavings from a bullet casing. Found along this wall here. Metal shavings that could possibly be from a bullet casing. What's the matter, honey? These will be turned in as evidence. Here are more metal shavings. I believe is part of a bullet casing. There's another piece of metal shaving. Here we have what appears to be a metal shaving or wooden shaving embedded into the sofa, into the back of the sofa.
She said, think of someone you really admire and ask yourself what they would do in that situation.
What happened?
Oh, well, when I told her that person was the lead singer of Switchblade Guns, she figured maybe that wasn't the right approach for me. But hey, I mean, it might work for you.
I am not going to argue with you about this anymore.
Please,
Do you hear me? Look, we've all been through enough tonight. I really think you should... Oh, no. Spencer? Spencer! You ran away. I don't believe this.
Maybe that's why you went away.
Had to be.
We're going to talk.
This is not a good time. Hey, let go!
Baby! You tell me what's going on now?
Let go!
Ah!
Come on!
What was that?
Let's head back towards the trestle. I'll never make it in time. Listen, you want to know what's going on? I'll tell you everything, but you gotta help me.
How should I help you?
Because the future of mankind is at stake.
I don't know about this.
What do you mean? This was your idea.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking straight. I was confused.
You should be used to that by now.
My car! Come on, Stacy, honey, please. Please. Just help me out here. Get up! Get up! that birthday?
To the back towards town. Come on.
Stick around. We've got more Star Kids here on Disney. Zach Sands and Susie Q have what it takes to make a great team. There's only one problem. You can see me? One of them isn't from around here. And that's Zach.
It doesn't get much worse than that, huh?
Meet Susie Q.
No, don't!
Now, I am going to attempt to remove this metal or wooden shaving from the sofa.
Visit to the 90s. Morning. At Susie Q tomorrow at 8:25, 7:25 Central. Part of Zoom Weekend.
On the scariest night of the year,
Halloween is not only our busiest night, it's also our craziest.
a Halloween prank leaves Jamie hanging in a heartbeat with guest star Hope Keenan, Saturday.
Honey, just a minute.
Central, part of Zoom Weekends.
The shaving with the piece of sofa
If this Disney Channel original movie,
thread attached to it will be the one that was removed from the sofa.
here's a sneak peek at how they created
That is if it's still attached.
Back up to fly like fangs in.
Here we have the tape that I had done in high school history class, which was called The History of Rock and Roll. Also contained on this tape will be a verbal agreement from the members of Guns N' Roses to Virginia Williams stating that we are looking for a record contract. We will contact you when we have a deal to give you your 10% of the song you wrote. Welcome to the Jungle. Also contained is a recorded copy of Welcome to the Jungle, which was recorded at Swing City in Collinsville, Illinois, back in, I do believe, either 1984, 1985, or 1986. I don't recall exactly when it was done, but I do remember that this copy was given to me, a recorded verbal agreement stating that I did write the lyrics to Welcome to the Jungle, and that information will be contained on this tape. And here we just have Bachman Turner Overdrive to remind me of taking care of business. That's what this tape is all about, taking care of business. Forrester and Felicity, I want you to use this tape to get the money that was owed to me. If anything should ever happen to me, you are to use this evidence to retrieve the money that was owed to me and will be due to you if I am dead. And don't ever forget it, and don't ever let anyone tell you anything different. Here is a copy, a recorded copy of Slash's voice saying this is Alex from Motorhead returning your call, when in reality he is actually Slash Saul Hudson, from the former guitarist from Guns N' Roses. This will bring millions of dollars. 10% of a record that sold 200 million copies its first year, I believe. An album containing 11 songs. One song is worth millions. Again, Forrester and Felicity, please remember,